After the age of 25, visible signs of facial aging begin to appear. The face gradually loses firmness and wrinkles start to form. This process is driven by bone resorption, fat descent, muscle atrophy, ligament weakening, and the progressive loss of collagen. Ellansé is a collagen-stimulating injectable designed for structural support and long-term regeneration. It contains 70% CMC gel for immediate shaping and 30% PCL microspheres for collagen regeneration. Injected at 5 key ligament anchoring points, the CMC gel provides immediate structural support, helping reposition sagging ligaments with high stability and no migration. As CMC degrades, PCL microspheres stimulate fibroblasts to regenerate type 1 and type 3 collagen, contributing to extracellular matrix ECM regeneration. A collagen scaffold forms, strengthening and nourishing ligaments over time. At this stage, structural support is restored, reshaping the skin.